This is the Greenpower Race Challenge and we'll hopefully be racing at Goodwood and Castle Combe in May. Last year, our Lower Sixth put together this kit car, and this year we've been upgrading it to how it is right now. We've probably spent 100 hours on this car, or maybe more, so we put a lot of hard work into this. Today we're testing the top speed of the car, we're testing how quickly it can brake, and how quickly it can do a full circle. The car's doing really well so far, only a few more improvements need to be made for it to be race ready.
Hey guys, we just finished our first test here at Goodwood. Got some good overtakes in and had a really good time on track. A couple issues at the end with our driver switch, but apart from that, we had a great time. Hey guys, we're here at Castle Combe for race week 2. We've just finished our first test and the car's feeling really good. We're just getting prepared for our race later today. We're pushing for some good points to get into the finals later this year.